Back in Brazil, after last year's fiery adventures at Churrascada, I asked organizer Gustavo if I could come back for one more fire, and with success. This year I'm joining Churrascada 2019 and it's even better than ever before. 2 days, 5 continents, 72 chefs, showcasing the art of cooking on open fire. But it's not only a reliving of Churrascada, we're going to be reunited with Bruno Panhoca, pitmaster here in Brazil and our trusted guide to show us the best and coolest Brazilian food São Paulo has to offer. But first things first, let's go to Churrascada. For this year's edition, the organizers of Churrascada cleared a whole block in an old industrial neighborhood. With 3 different areas, 2 stages, and every empty square meter in between filled up with barbecue installations. This is truly the world's most incredible barbecue festival. People already lined up at our stand, so we flambéed the first batch of prime ribs and we were open for business. We survived Churrascada, so the next day we were ready to discover São Paulo and the awesome food spots this city has to offer.
Is there a certain way that it's best to eat all this?
The certain way, you have to be hungry. That's the right way. But I'm gonna help you to do it your plate.
São Paulo is an incredible city with an infinite source of food spots. But Brazil has more to offer than concrete jungles. So when Diego Belda invited us to visit him and his family in the hillsides around São Paulo, we immediately got in the car and drove to São Francisco Xavier. In this beautiful countryside, Diego runs a restaurant called Rancho Tres Paneras, a cozy, authentic, renovated barn which serves incredible barbecue food. With only 1 day left, Diego had arranged something really special for us. An all-day-long Brazilian family-style churrasco. A unique barbecue experience up in the mountains, together with barbecue legend Wayne Mueller from Texas, Daniel Lee from Brazil, and of course our good friends Panhoca and Marcos.
We're doing a churrasco, family style, what we normally do here in Brazil with the ribs, beef ribs. We're doing a lamb, we're doing some picanha, some sausages.
What a once-in-a-lifetime experience, to be welcomed by this family and friends and take part in this authentic Brazilian tradition. This has truly been an amazing and inspiring day. Brazil has once again showered us with its hospitality. It was a true honor to be part of the Churrascada family, making new friends and finding out new ways on cooking with open fire. The honest and no-nonsense barbecue with true flavors here in Brazil has left us with an unsatiable hunger. So we will return.